Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Jamila. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to transform this boring Walmart clock from this to this. I have everything I used in the description box below, so make sure you guys go ahead and check that out. And if you find the video helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and share the video with your friends. Alright guys, to begin this project, we're going to start with a blank US letter document in canva.com. And right now I'm just going to change the background of my screen just so you guys can see what I'm doing. After I change my background, I'm going to go ahead and hit elements and select the circle. And then I'm going to stretch the circle out until the dimensions are 7.3. I mean 7.2, I'm sorry. So once my circle is 7.2, I'll go ahead back to my left toolbar and hit the text box. And then in the search bar, I'm going to type in circle text. Now, I do have the Canva Pro version, but I'm still pretty sure that all these features that I'm showing you is available in the free version as well. So I'm just going to use this image as the numbers on my clock because I don't want to go through the process of typing out all the numbers by myself and making sure they're aligned and correct and all that other good stuff. So I'm just going to use this as a little cheat sheet, and then I'm just going to delete all the text in the middle. Then I'm going to go ahead over to my uploads, and then I'll insert the picture that I want to use for this project, which is a family picture that my brothers and sister and I took with my mom over the holidays. And this cool little feature that they now have on Canva is a background eraser. So what I did was basically just click my photo, and then some options pop up. One of the options is effects, and when you click effects, it gives you a little drop down menu. You know, they have some filters, things like that, but I just clicked background eraser and it took the background away from me. So that's a pretty cool new update that they did not too long ago in Canva. And right now I'm just, sizing my picture, moving it around just to my liking basically. And once I have that done, I'm going to go ahead back over to elements, and then I'm going to get this other circle. Now this circle that I'm using will be in grids. Now you need it to have like this cloud and grass thing, okay? That's the circle you're going to need to finish off the project, because it'll allow you to insert your picture into this, and it'll basically be a perfect circle, like a perfect image. But you guys will see what I'm talking about. So you see how that's kind of like inserted in there, and then that circle that we used previously, I'm just going to go ahead and delete it, and then I'll just resize my picture a little bit, make a few changes, and then I'll change the background to black. But then that took away my little numbers, so first I need to change the color of my numbers to white, and then I'll change my background. But basically that's it. That's how I made the face for my clock. Very, very simple. This literally took me about 5 minutes. So yeah, now I need to change my background, which I'm changing to black. Then I'm going to mess around with the sizing and thing on my picture again. And I'm making this clock for my mom, which is why I chose to use this family picture. Because, funny story, the portrait studio we went to go take these pictures at ended up closing literally a week after we took our pictures. So we never got the pictures that we paid for. So the only pictures that we have are the ones that basically got offline and saved to my phone. So yeah, that was really crazy. But yeah, basically everything is done. So you'll go ahead and save this project as a PNG, and then you'll print. And that is that. So this is what the paper looks like that I'll be using if you want to go to Walmart and try and find it. And this is what it looks like once it's been printed on. And now I'm just basically going to cut out the circle. So this is the circle that was created in Canva, but it's actually too big for the clock. So I made a template with my Cricut, which is the green part. So I'm just going to cut that down to the size of the clock. Disassemble my clock, and you see once I put my circle in there, it's like the perfect size. But I didn't do a good job at cutting around the circle because I just need to take a little bit off the edge. And so once I finally trimmed it down to the correct size, I ran out of double-sided tape. So I'm just taking some regular tape and sticking it on there. You can use whatever you want, glue dots, hot glue, tape, whatever. It doesn't matter as long as you know, just get it to stick on there. And then I'm just taking the piece of the clock, one of the hands of the clock, and just poking a hole through the back. And then I'm just going to assemble my clock back together. So like I said, you guys, this is a super easy project. It looks great. It's great home decor. And that's it. That is really it. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. If you found the video helpful, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and make sure you share this video with your friends, okay? And now for my printer, I do have an Epson Eco Tank, but I'm pretty sure that this paper can go through any printer, so I don't feel like you guys should have a problem, okay? And if you don't want the glitter effect, you don't have to use the glitter effect. You can just, the glitter paper, you can just use regular cardstock, okay? As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.